Proposition 222 is the implementation of English-only instruction and the prohibition of bilingual education in schools. Research has shown that bilingual education can be extremely beneficial for students both educationally and within community and culture. So why would we look to ban this from our schools? It has been proven that bilingual education leads to proficiency in both students' native languages and in English. It is also shown to improve cognitive, linguistic, and academic growth. These benefits are in the best interest of our English language learners. By implementing bilingual education in schools, we are allowing English language learners the opportunity to build their knowledge of curriculum while also gaining the ability to communicate this knowledge effectively and proficiently in English. This is important because according to Coumans, all humans have a common underlying proficiency, which allows conceptual knowledge learned to transfer among languages. And allowing students to learn content knowledge in school through native languages while building English language skills helps them show their understanding on standardized tests, because these tests not only reflect language skills but also grade level content. And when we are able to support students holistically, both the student and the school win. The Supreme Court has also ruled in favor of supporting English language learners. Lau v. Nichols deemed that equal treatment in schools was not equitable for English language learners. This case made schools take affirmative action toward supporting English language learners, and the research finds additive bilingual programs to be extremely effective. So how can we knowingly take them away? Bilingual education can also be used to elevate the status of other languages. Yes, English is prestigious, but that does not mean being bilingual doesn't also have its advantages. And these other languages should be valued and seen as a resource rather than a handicap. This is an important shift in perspective and can help students gain confidence inside and outside of the classroom. When home language is valued, students are valued, and the entire classroom can benefit from the enrichment that second languages and culture bring into education. Language variety in schools is important to preserve because it can help students feel a sense of pride and value in their identities, as well as connect them with their communities. These feelings of pride and belonging positively impact students' experience in school. It allows families to both interact and form relationships with teachers and staff, and empowers parents to become more involved in their child's education. We know that when parents are able to take an active role in their children's education, students benefit both academically and personally. Parent involvement also creates a sense of community and inclusion within schools. When we strip students of learning supports in their native language, we not only strip them of their rights to learn in a least obstructive environment, but we also strip them of a key aspect of their identity. The way we speak and the language we use have influences on our thinking and our identities. Schools should honor every individual student and allow them to learn through both their native and secondary language. Because language, it's what we speak, who we are.
Lo que hablamos, nuestra identidad.